What if I told you that you can create a stunning Berry Bliss candle with Dollar Tree finds? Let's light up 2025 together. See you inside. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? Happy New Year. Welcome to 2025. I am so excited to be here with you, and we are going to have so much fun this year. I have a very clear direction on how I want to steer this channel, and I hope that you all like the new direction. My first project of the year is, well, I think I'll show you in the video. Okay, so here we have a really yummy scented candle, and we have our supplies, our little mason jar and a little round jar and our white candle from the Dollar Tree. Here I am pouring a red candle as the basis for both of our jars. We're going to layer them. Here I am pouring the scented portion of our candle. I'm filling the little molds in with cute little icons that I want to accent my candles. I'm putting in the wicks. These wick things are so good. They're very easy to do. I'm really satisfied with them. I'm so happy that I got them. Recommend for everyone to use these. So after I let my candles dry a little bit, then I filled it with the next layer of white. So we went from red to white, and I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna go in with another layer of red scent. I'm gonna put them in my little molds, and it's okay if you get spillage because then we get to make sprinkles and little things to put on top of the candle. So I'm not particularly worried about anything spilling. I like to mix the wax on the white candles, and I like to play around with different layers. Here I am putting a layer of red and white. And now we are getting ready to make the whipped cream portion of our candle. Pour a little bit of the wax in a bowl. Do not use plastic bowls, guys. And I have a silicone whisk that I'm going to start whisking as the candle starts getting cooler. And you can see that when it starts to get white around the edges. So I whisked it and whisked it and whisked it until it became like a whipped cream consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop it into the piping bag so that we can pipe out our whipped cream into the top of the candle. So be sure not to cover your wicks, guys, because this is easy to do. Make sure there's a little bit of the wick sticking out so that you can light the candle effectively. I like to push in the tip of the piping bag and press. That way it just fills up from the bottom up. And here I am putting the little icons into our little whipped cream wax mix. It's good to do it as it's cooling because then it's going to stick in there. It's going to be secure. So be careful and always wear your oven mitts, guys, and test out if the product is hot. It will be hot. Those jars are hot. Here I am putting some more of the scent mixture into that top layer of the candle, and I'm securing my wicks. Here I am taking off all of the little pieces that were on the molds, and I'm breaking them up to make little sprinkles. So it doesn't have to be perfect, just cut them up and create little shards. You're just gonna sprinkle them on top for effect. To get the gradient into the candle, I'm hitting the sides with a heat gun, and what this is doing is this is melting the wax so that it blends together so that it doesn't look like a stripe. You're gonna see the candle melting on the side. I'm gonna whip up another batch of our wax whipped cream, put that into the piping bag. It helps if you fold over the piping bag a little bit before you put it in. That way you could just fold it over, less of a mess. We're gonna cut off the tip. And once you do this step, guys, go continuous. You do not wanna stop because the candle wax is going to get cool on you. So you wanna make sure that you go ahead and do it until you're satisfied with the look that you want. And I'm pouring in some sprinkles, and I'm starting to put in my little wax icons. These are really super cute. Make sure again that you have those wicks exposed, guys. It's no fun going in to dig those wicks out. I think this came out super cute, but you know me, I can't stop here. So I got my ribbon here, and we are going to take this to the next level. Double this, put it around the neck. We are just gonna tie a knot right around here. I think it's so cute. This cute little ribbon just puts it right over the edge. I just love how this came out. I think it's adorable little present, and it's just an adorable little piece of decor that you can have around your house. Just makes you happy. You can put it on your desk, and the best part is it smells like delicious mixed berries. And you know I can't stop there. What do I have? I printed out these cute little labels, and this is just gonna bring this right over the top. So I am just gonna have some tacky glue. I'm just gonna put it around and put it on to our jar. So we can stick this right onto the front. Look how cute that is. I am just obsessed. It smells great and it looks super yummy. We almost have to put a disclaimer on this that we can't eat it. Guys, if you're doing this around kids, make sure that you let them know that this is not for consumption, that they cannot eat this. If you're selling this product, it might be a very, very good idea to put that on a label somewhere on the product, because you do not want any mishaps. Although it may seem a little obvious, it may not be obvious to some. So we always want to safeguard ourselves and keep everyone as safe as possible. Look how cute that is. I am obsessed. How cute was this project? I am completely in love with our Berry Bliss candles. They are good. Oh, I just want to, well, I don't want to say I want to eat it, but it's just, it looks good enough to just bite into. Do not eat this product. So in addition, I have a treat. I have decided as one of my incentives for 2025 to create my own unique DIY membership. I am going to leave the link below, but in here you are going to find not only all of these products with mega art packs and templates and how-tos and PDFs and access to one-on-one calls with me. We're gonna have challenges. We are going to have so much fun in this community. I cannot wait to interact with each and every one of you. It is called the Visionary Workshop, and I invite all of you to check it out if you want to, and if you want to vibe with us, and if you want to learn all sorts of inside tips on DIYs, please, I welcome you to join. In addition to that, I am going to also have a section of celebrations. So what that means is that I am going to give tutorials and how-tos and templates on how to make special invitations for special events, how to make party decor, and how to bring your parties up to the next level, including themed and all of the things. We're going to have sections for sweet 16s. We're going to have sections for quinceañeras, a special section for weddings, for parties, for anniversaries, for kids' parties. We are going to have a segment for treats and how to make them and how to bring those to the next level. So it's not just these kinds of DIYs, it's everything having to do with everything creative and everything that a visionary is about. So I am super excited to bring that to you. I also have a very easy to follow 10 candle recipe PDF. I will also include the templates so that you can also make adorable labels with the Canva links so you can alter them to create your own. If you're new here, if you're new to this channel, my name is Maria. I go by a talented Latina. And if you see value in this video, please like, please subscribe. And what's my favorite thing, guys? Yes, please comment. You know, I love the comments. I love suggestions. I love ideas. I love to interact with you. So hopefully I will see you in the community, and if not, I will see you on YouTube. And as always, I'm super, super grateful that you're here. Thank you for being part of my tribe. And here's to 2025, guys. Until the next one, peace.